It says how many pints are in 2 cups. I believe I only have 2 more questions actually for the set, just because I picked a repeat. So I might have to pick some more questions for us later on. It says how many pints are in 2 cups. So again, remember pints and cups are in the empirical system. And again, I have a table, right? So again, I have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. I know 1 quart equals 2 pints, and 1 pint equals 2 cups, right? So let me write that down. I have 1 gallon equals 4. That's a 2. Sorry. 4 quarts. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 pint equals 2 cups here, right? So if it says how many pints are in 2 cups, as you can see, I have 2 cups here. It's going to equal 1 pint. So the solution here is simply just 1 pint would equal 2 cups here. So like so, it says 1 cup equals half a pint, so 2 cups equals 1 pint. Answer in 2 cups there is 1 pint. So 1 pint here is the correct answer. So we don't even have to do any math here. Solution is correct. Good explanation. Just because it's part of our conversion factors here. So solution here is correct.